Shouldn't have fallen in love. Look what it made me become. I let you get too close just to wake up alone. And I know you think you can run. Scared to believe I'm the one. I just can't let you go. 'Cause I let the world burn. I let the world burn for you. Is this how it always had to end? If I can have you, then no one can. I let it burn. I let the world burn. Is this how it always had to end? If I can have you, then no one can.
Many not alive, but I think I lost the city. Now it's fine, city from the go. You remember how I died? When it started working, that's my life. That's my life. I put up a fine, I take it on my earrings. Don't you know the vibe? Don't you know the feeling? You should spend the night. It's me on your ceiling. That's your prize. That's your prize. I see this life like a swinging vine, swinging my heart across the line. My face is left inside. See it out and you should find a home. I'm not that old, but I'm not that bold. I'm in the world is so just do what we're told. I feel something so right, doing the wrong thing. I feel something so wrong, doing the right thing. I know the love I received, we were always a losing game. Small town boy in a big arcade, I got addicted to a losing game. All I know, loving you is a losing game. You and you were caught in a dance, you were lost in a trance of another Arabian night. Arabian night, like Arabian nights. More often than not, I hunted and hunt in line of go-ways. Only love can hurt like this. Only love can hurt like this. Your kisses burn into my skin. Only love can hurt like this. So somebody tonight, you and I were beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Are too wide, so I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavy